Nerf Mega XL. Is it useless? Hi guys, Hounds Armor here. Before we hop into the video, I just want to do a quick thank you shout out to my awesome patrons over on Patreon. It's support from people like them that make doing these videos, looking at this new stuff, that's a little bit easier on me. Now if you just want to support the channel a little bit more, please share this video with a friend of yours. I am very close to hitting the partner program on YouTube. I just need some more watch hours. So if you get a few more friends to come over here and check out my videos, that would be a great help. Alright, all that out of the way. Let's talk about something new and cool. Ugh. So, Nerf Mega XL, or girth darts as some people in the community have been calling them, is pretty fun. They are this massive bright blue foam dart that I think is interesting and fun, but maybe not useful. And before I get too into this, I'm just gonna say, I've not been able to make it to any wars since Mega XL has come out, much less taken it to a war myself to actually see how it plays. That being said, I did do some firing testing with this boom dozer here, and I couldn't hit crap. Not that that really matters, because if you're running something like this, you're gonna be running up and hitting someone at close range, which is fun. A quick overview of what I think of the blaster. It's very chunky, which I think is right. I think if you're shooting such a big projectile, a big chunky blaster feels good. I think the ergonomics are good. The inclusion of a stock point is great. The pump is super comfortable, and with the Gears Prime, it's very nice. And luckily, the grip is actually pretty good. So yeah, I think this is fun, and I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this blaster yet. It's currently my only Mega XL blaster, so I kind of want to keep it shooting Mega XL, so I have that option. But I might just gussy it up a little bit, open it up, take off this big thing, and customize it a little bit, but I think it's a good blaster. I don't really want to spend too much time talking about it because there's better and more recent views, or more accurate reviews on them, but I think the Boom Dozer is the most interesting of the Mega XL blasters out so far. I think it's the most usable, though the other pump action one is cool, and there's some cool mods already up for it. So as far as blasters go, that's my opinion. Now as far as the darts go, I feel like I might have a slightly unpopular opinion. Now to start this off by saying, I'm so glad that this exists. New ammo types are so much fun, and I know I was a naysayer for Ultra, but that was mostly to do because everything Hasbro said they would do, they didn't do. Hasbro's making no claims about these besides that they are large and in charge, and they are quite large, though I probably wouldn't put them in charge. I think they fit a very similar niche to just regular Mega. They're a larger than normal foam dart, and they don't fly that well. A normal Mega is more accurate than a Mega XL, but obviously every build is going to be slightly different. I think that game rules wise, these fall in a weird place between a Demolisher rocket and a Mega Dart. Like I said, I haven't been to any wars where I've gotten to use these yet, but from what little research I did, a lot of people are ruling them similar to Mega, which at this point kind of makes them hard to use. Now yes, they're fun, and I'm never going to be someone to doubt someone's fun, but I don't really feel a fun new game role that we can have for these. Now the obvious game that comes to mind for me is what we call net game in the Carolina Nerf Association, where you can tag other players with any ammo type, but there's a net in the center of the field where when you put in specialty ammo types, you get points. Usually for a Vortex Disc or a Mega, I believe it's 1 point, and there's 2 points, maybe 3 for something like a Demolisher rocket or a Titan rocket. This could be in that game, especially with how inaccurate it is. It could be a good medium point ammo that could really change that game a little bit. But as far as more like special rule ammo type, I don't really see this having much of a place. In a lot of places that deal with shields, a rocket will destroy the shield and a Mega will pierce it. I don't see another role to give this besides piercing the shield. That's just my thoughts on it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you're still here, maybe consider subscribing or hopping on over to my Patreon to help support the channel a little bit more. Like I said, I do have a project coming up where my patrons will have a little bit more say on what I actually build here on this channel, and I'm hoping to get to do more videos sooner as my schedule lightens up. That being said, I thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all next time.